Hi, friends. I'm going to read my sound box. My sound box. Little M had a box. I will find things that begin with my M sound, he said. I will put them into my sound box. Little M found monkeys. Did he put the monkeys into the box? He did. Then little M found a mouse. Then he found another mouse and another mouse. He found many mouse. Did he put the mice into the box with the monkeys? He did. But the monkeys did not like the mice. The monkeys were mad. They jumped out of the box and ran up the mountain. Little M ran up the mountain. The mice ran up the mountain too. Then the monkeys ran down the mountain. The monkeys were so mad they did not see the mud. The monkeys fell into the mud. Now they were mad. What a mess. Little M and the mice pulled the monkeys out of the mud. The monkeys were still mad. Little M put the monkeys back into the box. Mice, be nice, he said. I must find something else for mice, said Little M. Just then, Little M met a moose. Moose, he said, you're just what I need for my mice. Little M saw a merry-go-round. Let's ride the merry-go-round, he said. He found some money. They all went for a ride on the merry-go-round. Then Little M looked up and saw the moon. The moon belonged in my box, he said. How can I get the moon? Just then Little M met a mansion. The moon is too big for your box, says the man. But I will take you to the moon in my magic moon machine. And he did. He took them all the way to the moon. Some magic. The end. I hope you enjoyed my story. See you next time.